Hey y'all, welcome back for another video. Actually, this is a video series. So there's a whole bunch of these videos about the Canon M6 Mark II and a family of Sigma lenses that go along with it. We're gonna cover setups for hobby photographers, for vloggers, for dad videographers, whatever way you shoot. I really think that this particular camera is versatile for a ton of different situations. It's also really affordable compared to a full frame setup that would give you all the same specs, low f-stops, and different focal ranges. I'm not gonna say that it's a Canon R5 or anything, but when I put it alongside my Canon R5, it actually performed quite better than what I expected. So if you've been thinking about the Canon M6 Mark II or any of the other M-mount cameras, this series is definitely one that you're gonna wanna check out. And if you already have this camera or one of the other Canon M-mount cameras, there's also a video about some custom settings to get the most out of your camera and to basically be able to put it in auto mode and still be able to edit however you want later. B&H made this series of videos possible by loaning me this gear so I could check it out. There's a playlist linked right here that'll give you access to all the videos, and there's individual links down below in the description, as well as some affiliate links to check out all the different gear that I'll be talking about. If you purchase through those links, you'll be supporting me and this channel and make more videos possible in the future. Anyway, I'll see you along the way, or maybe I'll see you in a second on this next video.